sun shining bright. One car zooming in delight. Two fluffy clouds in the sky. Two umbrellas keeping us dry. Three bright kites soaring free. Three little birds flying high with glee. Four tall sailboats on the sea. Four kittens playing happily. Five red apples on a tree. Five flowers blooming for all to see. Six buzzing bees busy as can be. Six crayons coloring joyfully. Seven stars twinkling in the night. Seven pigeons taking flight. Eight bouncing balls, what a sight. Eight mangoes juicy and bright. Nine little fish swimming in line. Nine ladybugs so small and fine. 10 happy kids counting's fine. 10 candies sweet, all mine. Learning numbers, what a game.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.